Hello everyone, my name is Javeer and welcome to our show Walk the Talk. We have yet another guest with us, Mr. Pathatudi. How are you, Mr. Pathatudi?
I'm good, Jay. What about you?
I'm fine, Pathatudi. So I would like to ask Parth a simple and very pleasant question. What do you think is the best trip you have had?
The best thing which I ever had was trip to Tungnath with three of my friends. On a very pleasant morning, we were on a brunch and we were just chilling and we were watching reels over there. And one of the reel claims that Tungnath is the world's highest Shiv temple. So we all were spiritual and we all decided to go to Tungnath. And one of my friend was an influencer, so he was very excited because Chopra is considered as mini Switzerland and Tungnath is the world highest Shiv temple and it will gather a lot of content for us. So we all decided that within a week we have to create this itinerary and move to Tungnath. Uh, so on a morning around 6 a.m. We go in for an itinerary. The itinerary was that first we have to go to Srinagar, then from Srinagar we have to go to Chopta, and then the trek begins. The trek is from Chopta to Tungnath and then Tungnath to Chandrashila. Chandrashila is a very beautiful place. Like it looks like a painting, a very good painting, and Chopta is like a very long forest with slides and everything. So no doubt it is considered as mini Switzerland.
Parth, we all know how problems and trip go with hands in hands. So do you think you can tell us a few problems you may have faced during your trip or in initial stages of your trip?
The problem which we faced in our trip was that we carried a very few cash with us. The cash finished very quickly as we all were chilling and doing our stuff. So there were no connectivity, like internet connections were not good over there. So we were not able to do the online payments and I think so. At the midnight, we have to go down 30 kilometers in search of an ATM so that we can get our cash and we could have some food. So the best thing which I suggest that in every place or basically mainly in the mountains, you should always carry cash with you. So it was a very long night for us because 30 kilometers in mountains, that even the midnight is a very tough task. So it was a thing that I will tell you all, that always carry cash with you.
After listening to your talk about your best trip, I think you also want to visit it again. Do you share the same thoughts, I guess?
Sure, I have already visited it three times after that. Like Tungnath is a very peaceful place. You all should visit over there, and it is very great to have friends and family with. The two times I went with my family and one time with my friend. So it's a very peaceful place, and the trek is also very simple. So even my mom, she is little fat, and she trek over there without any much problem. So yeah, everyone should visit over there. I'll also go again.
Which would you recommend? A trip with friends or a trip with family?
Actually, looking into a fun part, that fun is better with the friends. But if you think, like, if you believe that family is a thing that you should never leave behind, so a trip with family should also be over there.
After you have said so much about I think I should also visit it.
Sure, next time we will go there together.
For sure. Thank you, Parth.
Thank you.